Hey everyone, and welcome back. Tom Cornelius here, application engineer at 3M. The next step in the process is going to be sanding our glaze. In the previous video, we mixed and applied our glaze, and now we're ready to start sanding following the 3M standard operating procedures. It's important to remember to wear your proper PPE. You can see today I'm wearing a pair of protective gloves. I have a respirator as well as safety glasses. Another thing to remember is that this video is recommended for the body shop or paint shop. For more safety and warranty information, please see the link below. Now that our glaze is fully cured, we're ready to start the sanding process. The first thing we want to do is apply dry guide coat over the entire area, very similar to all the things that we talked about in the filler video. After that, we want to apply our grade 180 abrasive to the block. We're moving into finer abrasive grades, and at that point, we're ready to start sanding. We strongly recommend the use of dust extraction. You can use either a net or a paper abrasive, and at that point, we should be good to go. As we sand our glaze, basically we're looking to just finish off the repair and do final sanding. We want it to feel smooth, straight, back to contour, and overall, we just want it to feel good. After we've completed the glaze sanding steps and we feel good about it, we're ready to move on into the final sanding steps and finish out the repair and move it into the priming stage. Hope you enjoyed this video. We've done our blocking steps on the glaze, but we're not finished yet. Please be sure to stay tuned in for our next video where we do our final sanding of the glaze and our feather edging and our cleaning, and we get this repair ready and moved into primer. Hopefully you liked this video. If you did, hit the like button. You can comment, share it, subscribe. If you want to find more videos like it, please check out the Collision Repair Academy. Thank you.